Good morning, students. Today we will do division on large number. This topic is in worksheet number 3 of unit 2 operations on large number, and this is our last operation, and we will do the sums. Let us start. Question number 2, A part is 46,028. You have to divide it by 84 and find the quotient and remainder. Firstly, you have to make the table of 84 as I have told you in my earlier video. So firstly, make table of 84 and then start dividing it. Firstly, we'll start from 46, but 46 is less than 84, so we will divide 460 by 84 and look at the table of 84. Here 420 is the fifth term and this is 504 is the sixth term. So we can't divide it by 84 6s are, so we will divide it by 84 5s are. So we will write 5 here and write 420 here. Then we subtracted 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2 will get 4. Then the next digit will come down. Then we have to divide 402 by 84. Then we again check at the table of 84 and here the number 336 is less than 402 and the next term 420 is greater than 402. So we will divide it at 4. So we write 4 here and 336 here. Then we subtract it. 2 minus 6 we cannot do, so we will take borrow from 40 and then we'll get 66. Then next digit 8 will come down and we'll again check from the table of 84 for which term we can divide it. Then 588 is the seventh term. So we'll write 588 here and 7 here. Then we subtract 588 from 668 and we get the remainder 80. One more sum we will do. This is G part. 68,931. We have to divide this number by 235. So firstly we will make the table of 235. For this we have to write table of 2 and 35 separately. So you can make table of 35 also like this and then table of 235 like this and then start division. 689 is greater than 235. So we'll start by looking at the table which term. Third term is 705 which is greater than 689, so we'll divide it by 2. So we'll write 2 here and 470 here. Then we'll subtract 8, 9 minus 0, 9, 8 minus 7, 1, 6 minus 4, 2. Next term will come down, so it will make 2193. Then we look at the table which term can divide this 2193 and this can be divided by 9th term, that is 2115. So we'll write 9 here and write 2115 here. Then we subtract these two terms. Then we get 781 because 1 will get down. Then third term is 705 and fourth term is 940. So we'll divide by third term, write 3 here and write 705 here. Then subtract and you will get 76 as remainder. Now one more sum. Here you have to divide 8,88,888 divided by 888. Here you no need to write the table of 888 because when you check these numbers you will get the idea that this can be divided by first term only. So we'll arrange the division sum, and 888 ones are 888. Then when you subtract it you will get 3 zeros. Then next 8 will come down. Only 8 cannot be divided by 888, so we'll put here 0. Then again next 8 will write here. Then again 88 is not divisible by 888. Then we again write a 0 here, and next 8 will come down. Then this 888 is divisible by this number, so we'll write here 1 and write 888, and when we subtract it we get remainder 0. So in this way you can divide and do the question number 2 and check with the solution that I have sent. Thank you.